In the field of science, we are investing in the future of our country. We have launched a project in the district, in the Tala district, in the villages. For science, time is crucial under these conditions. Since October 23, a total of 44 schools, kindergartens, and sports facilities have been built and prepared. Construction work is ongoing.
In the field of science, 1350, 44 scientific facilities have been planned. This includes 24 new schools, 14 additional buildings, and 6 schools with the sports halls and sports facilities. Of these 44 facilities, construction work is underway on 10. The necessary documentation for the facilities is being prepared.
Throughout this year, construction work is being carried out on 99 of the 142 planned facilities brutis oris for 43 facilities. The project documentation was
returned, and the construction work is being carried out by a single construction company exceeding 100% completion. Today, construction work has begun, and the documentation is expected to be completed by the end of 2000.
Was returned to the state by the National Security Committee of the Republic of Kyrgyzstan. In total, out of 23 facilities, 10 kindergartens, 1 school, and 1 college have been transferred or school construction is planned in the Republic of Dalsukoshunda Li Isaireposa. Kyrgyzstan